no?
I'm answering you with my crest. Yes, you are the best bird. Yeah, you're the prettiest bird. Yeah. Pretty bird.
43.62.
Alright. I know.
Pretty bird? Are you a pretty bird today?
Hey, baby.
Yeah, you don't want to talk to me today. Pretty birds, are you going to come over and say hi to me now?
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Here we go, buddy. Pretty calm fella. He was so chill today.
Yeah.
Oops. Well, sorry.
Okay, we're right over there.
Question is he more comfortable doing this or riding on you? Oops, sorry.
He usually likes to go on the cart.
All right. Good boy, Benji. He is so good. Almost too good. One might say too good. Because everybody loves a ruckus when we check out. But
He's such a
everybody
doll.
loves a sweet cockatoo too. Oh, boy, that is...
Heavy.
Yep.
You're the best bird. Let's get the doors open. It's not gonna do it. I didn't notice him poop at all in there.
No. Well, he did it before we went in, right?
Yeah, he usually does it. Did you hold it in this time? That was amazing. It was very nice of you. I had the wet wipes at the ready. Yeah.
So where do you want the big stuff? Back
Back.
seat?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna pull this up as close as we can for Uncle Sean.
Are you taking the thing back?
No, it's in there in case I ever need it.
Oh, okay. Because I remember that kind of freaked him out a little bit.
It did.
The initial purchase.
And Vinny's got all new carts now, so we haven't had to use it yet. Yeah. Oh, this Uncle Boy. Why am I hearing a baby goat?
Oh, yeah. That's a baby goat sound. It's coming from that way. Somebody's trying to outdo you. Somebody's going to bring in a baby goat in there.
Huh. I wonder where that's coming from. You ready to go? Yeah, Uncle Sean's getting in the car. Yeah? You come with me or we can leave you here. I'm going to put my purse underneath your legs here.
Alrighty.
Yeah, you ready? You ready to go? Look at that face. We're going to go to St. Vinny's. I don't think there's anything we need back there. We're going to go to Vinny's. We'll find some more stuff there. You can look for a screwdriver. Yeah, give me your tootsies. Come on.
Screwdriver, Benji.
Boop.
Hey, buddy.